Prince sorted out students trial passage real judgment 100 words a minute. आप जो स्टूडेंट लीगल डिक्टेशंस डेली लिखते हैं प्रैक्टिस करते हैं उनके लिए बेस्ट ऑप्शन है कि हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर बहुत एक्सरसाइजेज हैं, बहुत डिक्टेशंस है, आप उनको बार बार लिखिए जिससे आपका कोई भी स्किल टेस्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा। तो हम करते हैं 100 वर्ड्स ए मिनट। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। Mr. Prem Singh, learned counsel for the appellant, contended that the previous scale of rupees 220-550 to which the appellant was entitled became rupees 700-1600 since the appellant has been granted that scale of pay in relaxation of the educational qualification full stop. The High Court was therefore not right in dismissing the writ petition full stop. We do not find any force in this contention full stop. It is seen that the government in consultation with the University Grants Commission had revised the pay scale of a librarian working in the colleges to rupees 700-1600, but they insisted upon the minimum educational qualification of first or second class MA, MSc, MCom plus a first or second class B.Lib science or a diploma in library science full stop. The relaxation given was only as regards obtaining first or second class in the prescribed educational qualification but not relaxing in the educational qualification itself full stop. Admittedly, the appellant does not possess the required educational qualifications full stop. Under the circumstances, the appellant would not be entitled to the relaxation full stop. The principal erred in granting him the relaxation full stop. Since the date of relaxation, the appellant had been paid his salary on the revised scale full stop. However, it is not on account of any misrepresentation made by the appellant that the benefit of the higher pay scale was given to him, but by wrong construction made by the principle for which the appellant cannot be held to be at fault full stop. Under the circumstances, the amount paid till date may not be recovered from the appellant full stop. The principle of equal pay for equal work would not apply to the scales prescribed by the University Grants Commission full stop. The appeal is allowed partly without any order as to costs full stop. It would be pertinent to mention that librarians were acquitted with lecturers for the grant of the pay scale of rupees 700 as 1600. The above pay parity would extend to librarians subject to the condition that they possessed the prescribed minimum educational qualification full stop. For those librarians appointed prior to 3rd December 1972, the educational qualifications were relaxed full stop. In Sahib Ram Verma's case, a mistake was committed by wrongly extending to the appellants the revised pay scale by relaxing the prescribed educational qualifications, even though the concerned appellants were ineligible for the same full stop. The concerned appellants were held not eligible for the higher scale by applying the principle of equal pay for equal work, full stop. This court in the above circumstances did not allow the recovery of the excess payment, full stop. That was apparently done because this court felt that the employees were entitled to wages, stop.